Good day, my pupils. My name is Olariwaju Rofiat. The subject we are having now is social study. Last week we talked about the meaning and types of soil, but today we will be discussing on the properties of soil, types, behavioral objectives. At the end of the lesson, pupils should be able to 1. List the properties of sandy, loamy, and clay soil. 2. List the differences between clay and sand soil. Sandy soil. Sand is made up of big particles. It is made up of small particles of rock. That is, sandy soil is made up of big particles and also small particles of rock. That is, small rocks. Some soil have a lot of sand in them. Sandy soil is rough. That is, when you feel the texture of the sand, of the soil, you see that the sand soil is rough in texture. It allows the water pass through it easily. That is, when you pour water inside the sand soil, you easily get your water back. So it does not hold water for longer time. It is light brown or gray in color. You can easily identify sandy soil through its color, which they are. We have light brown and there can be gray sometimes. Clay soil. Clay is made up of very fine particles of rock. That is, they are very fine. They are tightly packed. Clay is smooth and soft. It does not let water pass through it easily. That is, when you pour water inside the clay soil, it retains more water. It holds water for a longer time. It is very sticky and it is used for making cup. You can use them to mold pots, etc. Clay is light brown to dark brown in color. Loamy soil. Loamy soil is a mixture of sand and clay. That is, the combination of sand and clay. It contains a lot of humus, and humus contains the dead remains of plants and animals. So loamy soil is the best soil for growing crops. Our crops can easily germinate. They can easily grow well on loamy soil. It contains enough air, waters, and mineral. So differences between clay and sandy soil. Clay, sand soil. 1. It contains fine particles. Sandy soil contains large particles. 2. Clay soil, it has good capacity to hold water, while sandy soil cannot hold water. 3. It does not hold air. Sand soil can hold air. 4. It is heavy in weight. That is, clay soil is heavy in weight, while sandy soil is light in weight. Your assignment. First assignment is you list the properties of sandy soil. 2. You list the properties of clay soil. The third one, you list the properties of loamy soil. And the fourth one, you state the differences between clay and sandy soil. Thanks for listening.